How to use Streisand. I'm going to tell you how to use Streisand to set up your own private VPN. Streisand is a tool that lets you create a secure VPN server on your own cloud account, like DigitalOcean, Amazon, or Linode. First, you'll need a cloud provider account and a local machine with Ubuntu, Mac OS, or WSL if you're on Windows. Clone the Streisand GitHub repo to your machine, then run the setup script from the command line. It'll guide you through choosing your cloud provider and entering API credentials. Once that's done, Streisand automatically spins up server and installs VPN tools like OpenVPN, WireGuard, Shadow Socks, and even a Tor bridge. When it's finished, it generates a private web page with instructions and config files that you can use to connect your devices. The whole point of Streisand is to bypass censorship or surveillance by hosting your own encrypted access point.